good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Sofia Nicole Arcangel, Miss International Queen Philippines 2024, recently made a stunning appearance in Bangkok during the sashing and welcome ceremony, where she was warmly welcomed alongside with Miss International Queen 2024, Solange Decker. The event marked the official start of Sofia's journey in the prestigious international pageant, setting the stage for what promises to be an exciting and inspiring competition. Sofia arrived in Bangkok with an impeccable look that radiated elegance and confidence. Her arrival ensembles was carefully chosen to reflect her unique style and personality, leaving a lasting impression on everyone's present. The sashing and welcome ceremony was a highlight of the day, where the contestants were officially welcomed and sash, symbolizing their participation in the Miss International Queen 2024 pageant. During the ceremony, Sofia expressed her gratitude for the thoughtful gifts presented to the contestants, particularly the beautiful crafted bags they received. She praised the artistic design and craftsmanship of the bags, noting how they were not only stylish, but also practical for the upcoming tours and activities planned during their stay in Bangkok. These bags, she mentioned, are the perfect companions for exploring the vibrant city and experiencing its rich culture. And Sofia's participation in Miss International Queen 2024 is a significant moment as she represents the Philippines on an international stage, advocating for equality, diversity, and inclusion. The sashing and welcome ceremony was just the beginning of a series of events that will showcase her grace, intelligence, and advocacy work. As she continues her journey in Bangkok, Sofia is sure to captivate audiences with her charm and dedication to making a positive impact. And the excitement surrounding the Miss International Queen 2024 pageant is palpable, and Sofia Nicole Arcangel present in the competition adds to the anticipation. Her arrival in Bangkok and the warm welcome she received set the tone for an unforgettable experience both for her and for those following her journey. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!